So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And in this video naman po, we are going to try out this air fryer para doon po sa mga health conscious dyan. So this is a 1,350 watt air fryer. So try ito natin. We are going to first put this water. Ano pa po yung water? Malamig. There. So naka-power on na po yung ating 3 kilowatt inverter powered by 2 Powerhouse 24 volts. There you go. There you go. So this is an air fryer. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so you can better see it. So you can also have this mounted on your camper van or rig. And to bring this in a remote location like camping with an air fryer. You can have a similar setup. You can also connect this by a DC-DC charger. This is a special DC-DC charger that has an input of 12 volts and an output of 24 volts. So you can charge the powerhouses. The 3 kilowatt inverter and the Powerhouse 24 running this 1,350 watt air fryer. Thank you.